Hey everybody, today we have a true value lawn chief with a 3.75 horsepower Briggs & Stratton motor. What year is it from?
1993.
A 1993. So let's do a little walk around first. First thing we noticed is this wheel's got a new nut on it that's not tight and it's a little wonky. And let's look at the gas. There appears to be absolutely empty, no gas at all. Galvanized tank. It's got this rod here for a bag, but I don't think it belongs to this mower because I think the bag somehow clips into here if it had one.
There's a blade.
It does have a blade. That's good. That's a bonus. Let's come over and let's check the oil. Do you have a rag? Could you hand me a rag? There's a rag out here. There's two rags out here. Now go ahead and wipe that stick down. Alright. And we got nothing on the stick. This one here you can kind of look down in. And there is like no oil in this at all. I'm talking dry. So my question is, hold on. Does this thing even pull over? Is it blown up or not?
Let's find out.
Okay, it still pulls over. All right, we're gonna fill this thing up with oil and put a little gas in it and set it on the ground and make sure that the blade's not bent and see if this lawn chief will start. We put oil in it. We put gas in it. The gas tank has a leak. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but there's a big leak right there. It's not leaking that bad, but it's leaking a little bit. The throttle cable is broken on fast. It does have a primer bulb. It does have a blade. We're just going to go ahead and see if it runs or if it's blown up or if it's got a rod knock. It had absolutely no oil in it. Almost. Well, see if it cuts. All right, everybody, here we go. Here is another lawnmower, True Value Lawn Chief 21-inch. I was out for the trash. It had no oil in it. We filled it up with oil. It had no gas in it. We filled it up with gas. The reason why it has no gas in it is because the gas tank's got a hole in it. We pushed the primer bulb several times, put oil, put gas in it, pushed the primer bulb several times. Oh yeah, and I fixed the wonky wheel. I took their regular nut off and I put a nylon lock nut on so it won't loosen up. That bracket still is a little bit wonky. I might take that apart and see if I can get that tight. Lift up again. This side is a little bit loose too, but that's just wear on the wheel. This one here, we might have another tank. So we'll probably change it and put another tank on it. And here's another one that was out for the trash. Don't know exactly what we're going to do with this one, but it could be a good parts lawnmower, but it does run if somebody wants a cheap lawnmower. Alrighty, everybody, this was a really quick one. This one started right up pretty much. We'll change the tank on it if we have one. So we'll leave it at that. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that right there in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like the videos. Please comment, like, and share. Thanks everybody for watching.